Hi there from Homeschooling Unplugged. Wanted to share with you today about a curriculum we've been using that makes your math fact memorization a snap, and it's called Page a Day Math. It's very simple, it's very unique, and it's got little teacher oversight. So I wanted to really quick show you. There are 10 workbooks per operation. This is the edition set. Our first grader is using it. This is book 1, and here are her math fact practice. There's some tracing involved. These numbers are gray, they trace them, and there's these crosshairs, so it's got handwriting included in what it does. So it only takes about 10 minutes a day to implement. It's a great supplement to any curriculum math they are doing, whether it's homeschooling or otherwise. Those math facts, you need to get those solid to have a great career as a mathematician, or any math that they're going to be doing. So really important and unique approach, very fast, very little teacher oversight. Perfect for us.